Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine, copywriter and certified content marketing strategist. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to attract sales with your message. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jasmine, copywriter and certified content marketing strategist, helping you get set up for success online through the power of copywriting and content marketing strategies. Let's get to work. So if you're new at business and you're wondering what to say in your marketing to sign on your next client, then listen up because this video is for you, okay? So if you're wondering what to say in your marketing, maybe you are creating messages, you're writing your posts, you're sending emails, and people are even saying that they like what you have to share, but nothing's actually translating into sales, then these 4 tips that I'm going to share with you are really going to help you start to attract sales with your message, right? So the first tip I want to share with you is to include imagery. So visual brand is so important. We're visual people, especially as women. We like to buy things that are pretty and look nice. So include imagery. Imagery is so important. If you don't have anyone's attention, then you don't have their money either. So including imagery that could take the form of, graphics, photography, video, animation, whatever, because the list goes on. Just making sure you include imagery with your content, with your writing. That'll help you be able to attract more eyes into what you have to say. So include imagery. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is to draw the connection. So it's not enough just to post what you have and just say buy this or buy now. You have to take it one step further and consider, why should anyone care? Like, what's in it for them? Help to draw the connection for them, to help them either, are you educating them? Are you persuading them? Are you entertaining them? Whatever the case is, if it's your end goal to make the sell, then you should draw the connection by helping them to realize that you are presenting a solution to a problem that they have. So making sure that you, in your content, you're drawing the connection for them to help them see why this is important and how this is going to help them alleviate whatever concerns they have or problems they have, pains they have, or relief for them, if just make sure that they know that you have what they've been praying for, basically. Right? So drawing the connection. So the third tip I want to share with you to help you attract sales with your message is to add a personal touch. People resonate with humans. They resonate with humans. So if you add a personal touch, maybe share a testimonial, if you're comfortable being, who's comfortable being vulnerable. But if you are able to be vulnerable about something in your storytelling, that is a very attractive way and a very heart-centered human way to add a personal touch. It could even be, common phrases that you use to help share your unique voice and personality in your messaging. So just adding some type of personal touch, to help you stand out online will be very helpful for you. And it'll also help people feel more connected to you because, they want to feel connected with the people that they're making transactions with online. So if you can add a personal touch somewhere, maybe, speaking to them as though, you're their friend in their head. Just also making sure that you're not coming across as standoffish or like you're holier than thou, because that is off-putting, and you want to make sure that you add some type of personal touch to, be yourself and be transparent and be vulnerable and allow people to see that they're in the right place, and that you're relatable, and you're easy to it's easy for them to resonate with who you are, right? So add a personal touch. And the final tip that I want to share with you to help you start to attract sales with your message is to make it easy for them. And what I mean by that is, every piece of content that you're creating online, every piece of content that you're writing, you should make sure that you include a call to action at the end. So tell them what you do, and then tell them what you want them to do next. But whatever call to action you use, make sure that your call to action is allowing it to be easy for them. Like, make your call to action easy, an easy next step they could take. So, so if you want them to, like, for example, if you're posting on social media, it's a hard ask for you to ask someone on social media to email you. So, because they'll have to copy and paste your email, close out of the social media app, open up their email app, create a new email, so that's a hard ask. It's not as easy as if you were to just say, send me a private message. They can stay in the app, on social media. So, like, they can stay in the app. They just click your profile name, click message. And you see how that's easier than if you were to say, email me and have your email address if you're on social media. Now, if you are sending an email campaign and you ask them to email you back, then that's an easy ask, because they can just hit reply, right? So you just have to think about the call to actions you're using, and making sure that you're making it easy for them to just naturally flow into taking the action that you're wanting them to take in the end. So just making sure that you are making it as easy as possible to improve the likelihood that they will do what you are asking them to do, right? So as you can see, much of sales is all about making connections, and because people like to do business with people when they feel connected to you. First of all, when you've got their attention, and then they feel connected with you, and then you're adding a personal touch, and then you're making it easy. And you see how that just flows nicely together. So these are 4 ways you can start to attract sales with your message. If you like these tips, give me a thumbs up. Show me some love. Let me know that you found this valuable for you in your journey of this whole world of copywriting. And it's my intention to help make this easy for you. So feel free to, if anything has come up for you on top of these tips that I shared, let me know how I can help you with more tips. So share any questions that are coming up for you along your journey, and subscribe. Let me know, hey, you want to see more of this. You want me to continue to post more videos. So let me know that by sticking around with me, turning your notifications on, and join me in next time, right? So I'm going to drop there's a blog post that I wrote to go along with this. So I'm going to drop that in the description, make it available for you to read more thoroughly if you want to see examples of this in practice. And so I appreciate you, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.